Welcome to ArtMagic.
Are you ready to embark on a creative voyage? Drawing a boat is a wonderful way to explore your artistic talents and have fun. Follow these simple steps to draw your very own boat and let your imagination set sail. Let your creativity shine by coloring your boat with bright hues. Use blues, yellow, red for the boat. Use all vibrant colors for the sails and flag. Imagine the excitement of sailing the 7 seas as you color. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.